and today I'm back with a brand new video, and today I got another rotary phone, and it's this one. It's a Princess rotary phone. It was made in 1980, according to the sticker on the bottom, and this is a model called Sweet Talk, and I'll show you the bottom. Let's show you this. Model number is 35047, made in Japan. GTE automatic electric. I never heard of that. See, it says 1980. So maybe it was made in May of 1980. I don't really know. Ooh, it's making the busy signal. Oh, beep, beep, beep. You hear it? So we're gonna set back up the phone. And you just put the receiver, the handset back here. And it does have its own cord that's attached to it. It's hardwired into the back. I don't know if to call it hardwired. So is the cord. We can see the dial is gold, and there is a lady in the middle of it. Yeah. So I really like this phone. You can call it, but you can't dial out from it. Let me show you what happens if you dial a number. I don't know whose number this is. I'm just gonna enter this. Okay. Again, I don't know what number that was. And look what happens. It just does the dial tone for a second. You hear it? It does the busy signal. So, it does work, but it can't call out. I'm gonna let you hear the ring. Call Grandma.
I'm on it.
Doesn't look like you're on it, Siri. I'll just do it manually then. Okay, gonna go to, and I am going to call. Not that good of a ringtone. Hello? Yeah, and so yeah. That is the review on the 1980s French style rotary phone.